everybody. So, welcome to another episode of the Bike Builds. I got some exciting news. Got so many parts in over the last couple of weeks, and yeah, I'm keen to get into it. I'll give you guys a run through of what we got. So now, I would be lying if I said you haven't seen some of these parts, but we got plenty more in. Forks, straightened, snorkels, throttle tubes, R6s, race pads, new front end parts, new triple tree kind of assembly. You've already seen those ones. We've got a new radiator in. Yeah, lots and lots of stuff to be done. And yeah, I guess we'll get cracking into it. So guys, the plan is for today, I'm actually going to start to separate these two bikes into two different builds, because I know this originally started as a track bike build, so I'm going to stick all of the videos on this one, and I'm going to start separating what I do to the anniversary one. A bit different. Some of the stuff's a lot the same, like all the airbox stuff, etc. So there actually isn't much to do left on this thing. Today I'm going to aim to take out the airbox and replace the snorkels, the throttle plates, and then I'm also going to put the R6 tube on the front end here. And apart from that, it's almost done. I just need to get it tuned by a place. I've been looking into it, but I'm still not sure. So yeah, let's get a crack on with that. All right guys, so this is the top plate of the triple tree that was bent. I've tried to straighten it out as best as I can, and it looks pretty good. There's a tiny bend just around here, but I'm going to put on the bike just for now to get it moving. I'm going to keep an eye out for a new one, just in case, but this is going on the track bike, so cosmetically it doesn't matter, but obviously functionality, you want the best you can get. So I'm just going to put it on there now and hope it all lines up, and basically I'm just going to keep it on there just to get it moving and stuff. So yeah. all done.